Welcome to our short tutorial on Git version control using GitHub Desktop, an easy-to-use GUI application for managing your code projects. In this video, we'll also cover the basics of Git. First, let's start by setting up your system. You can download and install Git for different systems from the official website. Installing GitHub Desktop also sets up its respective Git settings compatible with your operating system. There are different platforms to host our repositories, and for this tutorial, we will be using GitHub. So log in with your GitHub account or create a new one if you don't have it yet. Repositories are where your project's code is stored. We can clone existing repositories from GitHub or create new ones directly from the application. You can also easily select which repository you wish to work on through the Current Repository tab. Now that everything is set up, let's dive into some basic commands. Now, you can perform common Git actions like committing changes, creating branches, and pushing/pulling code without needing to use the command line. We can select which changes we wish to add or remove by simply checking the changes we wish to include once you've made changes to your project. To capture the state of a project at that point in time, you can commit them. Simply add a summary and description of your changes and click Commit to save them locally. But don't forget to make sure that you are working on the proper branch so as not to compromise the hard work and effort of others. You can create your own branch, work on it, and even merge other branch to it by accessing the Current Branch tab. To view the commit history of your project, navigate to the History tab. Here, you can see a chronological list of commits along with their details. When you're ready to share your changes with others, click Push to upload them to your remote repository. In this case, we will upload them to our repository on GitHub. This makes your changes accessible to collaborators. And that's it for our Git tutorial using GitHub Desktop. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.